Expensive things that are worth every penny. Rebuilding your life edition. 1. Starting over. It is okay to start over if you need to. And it is okay to do it whenever you decide that that's when you want to do it. There is no time limit to when you can start over, especially if you do not like the life that you are currently living. Number 2, walking away from toxic situations. Walking away from toxic situations is very expensive. However, it is the best thing you're going to do for yourself, because the longer you remain in toxic situations, the more damage you're going to do, which will eventually cost you more. Number 3, therapy. If on your rebuilding journey you require therapy, I highly recommend it. It's expensive, but it will help you unpack a lot of things that you cannot articulate or explain by yourself. Number 4, healing. On your rebuilding journey, if you do not heal, all you're going to be doing is repeating the same pattern that you are trying to run away from. So it is important that you spend time healing yourself. It is expensive, but it is absolutely worth it, and your future self will be grateful for it. Number 5, a new environment. Moving to a new environment is going to cost you money, but do not underestimate the value you're going to find in it. It will give you fresh perspective, a fresh community, a fresh environment, and a new outlook at life, especially on your rebuilding journey. Number 6, learning a new skill. On your rebuilding journey, you might be required to learn a new skill, and it is highly valuable. In the moment, it might be expensive, but you will reap the benefit in the future, especially if you are trying to change the current status quo, or you are trying to change the current trajectory of your life. Learning a new skill provides you new opportunities to earn, new opportunities to create new relationships, new opportunities to create a whole new community that helps move you along on your rebuilding journey. Number 7, taking a pay cut to build a better future. If what you require on this rebuilding journey is for you to take a pay cut in order for you to build a better future, I highly recommend you do it rather than staying in the place where you are and you are unhappy with. Number 8, delayed gratification. I know that on your rebuilding journey, things may be stalling. You may want to just move things quicker along, but delaying gratification is going to do you a lot more good. In the moment, it might look like it is expensive, but trust me, by the time you get to the end of it, you will realize the benefit and the value that is in the fact that you delayed gratification. You delayed reaping the work that you're doing. So I highly recommend that on your rebuilding journey, especially when things are stalling, that you delay gratification, you stay consistent, and you continue to carry on. Finally, becoming someone your younger self needed. A lot of us are rebuilding our lives because we've gotten to the point in our lives where we realize that a lot of the things, a lot of the rules that we're currently living by were not stories written by us. So our younger self, our inner child, is looking at us for us to take the bold decision to actually rebuild this life so that she can be proud, so that she can say, oh, that was the person my younger self needed. So in the course of rebuilding your life, this will cost you money, it will cost you people, it will cost you a lot of things, but nothing compares to it. The value in it is enormous, and you will not regret investing in it.